Well, welcome. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So you downloaded your file. Let's go ahead and double click on that. Get into there. And you want to extract these files. So go ahead and extract them all. Alright, so we should be ready to roll. We're going to go ahead and download this software here called Paint.net. So let's go ahead and install that. So we'll right click this, open, and we're going to want to push yes. I like to push custom here. I agree. Next. Yes, yes, yes. No. So you'll notice this is a free piece of software that we use, but we're going to modify it quite a bit. You're going to love the things we do with this. And there we go. Opens up right away. Okay, there you have it.